Good morning, my name is Nafisa Hemani. I teach English at Orchids, the International School. Today I will be discussing pronouns as we teach in grade 1. The learning outcome of this topic will be that the students will be able to identify pronouns and its usage in different sentences. To start with pronouns, we will first start with nouns. We'll take a recap of nouns, that is, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal and a thing. Let's see few examples. Rohan is a good boy. The cat is on the table. In the above sentences, Rohan and cat are nouns. Now let's take another sentence. Rohan is a good boy. Rohan is in grade 1. Rohan likes to eat chocolates. In this sentence, instead of repeating the noun Rohan, we can use another word. We can use he instead of Rohan. Let's repeat the sentence with he. Rohan is a good boy. Rohan is in grade 1. He likes to eat chocolates. Let's see another sentence. The dog is under the table. The dog likes to chew bones. In this sentence, we can again replace the word dog with it. The dog is under the table. It likes to chew bones. So the pronouns that we are going to introduce in grade 1 are he, she, it, you, we, they. We use he for a boy. He is a boy. Rohan is a boy. So instead of Rohan, we say he is a boy. We use she for a girl. She is a girl. Mrs. Preeti is my teacher. She teaches us English. So over here, we replace Mrs. Preeti with she. Next, we'll take the pronoun it. We use it for an animal or a thing. The dog is on the table. The dog is chewing bones. So we can replace the dog with the pronoun it. The dog is on the table. It is chewing bones. Next, let's talk about the pronoun they. We use they for a group of people. When we are talking about a group of people, we say they. Let's see a sentence for they. Rohan, Sanya and Tina are playing. They are playing in a park. So we have replaced the nouns with the pronoun they. Next, we'll talk about the pronoun we. We use the pronoun when we are a part of that group. For example, Rohan, Sanya and I are playing. We are playing in the park. So we are replacing the pronouns with we. When you are a part of the group, we use the pronoun we. Now let's talk about the pronoun I. We use the pronoun I when you're talking about ourselves. For example, I am going to the market. Another example, I like to play in the park. And we use you when you're referring to somebody else or you are asking a question to somebody else. For example, are you coming for Preeti's birthday party? Are you happy? Are you playing the drums by yourself? Are you coming to school today? Etc. We use are with you, they and we. For example, you are a good dancer. They are going to school. We are going to the park. So the pronouns that we learned today are he, she, it, we, they and you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.